Yo, what up? It's your boy Jon Belcher, aka Jaydis Crete. You already know. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online for 2024. For those of you who are interested in earning your own income from home while on the go, independent of a 9-to-5 job. So I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to get straight to the point in this video. I ain't going to BS you. I'm going to give you no fluff and get straight to the point. So there's really, I'd say, two businesses really when it comes to making money online. The first business, which is simply the business of getting traffic, capturing leads from that traffic, and then connecting with those leads that you get from that traffic. That's one business, right? Where it doesn't matter if you're selling lotions, potions. It don't matter if you're selling shirts, sneakers, online info products. It really don't fucking matter. You gotta get traffic, you gotta capture leads from that traffic, and you gotta connect with the people. You have to. People are customers, and customers are the ones who are going to be buying whatever products that you're promoting, whatever products that you're offering. So you got to get traffic. If you don't have nobody coming inside of your store, pause. If you have nobody coming to your store, how the hell are you going to make sales? You know, it's a very simple concept with that. So that's the first business. It don't matter what you selling. You got to get traffic. You got to be getting leads, and you got to know how to connect with those leads. And then I'll say the second form of business when it comes to making money online in 2024 is through some kind of investment business. For example, stocks, cryptocurrency, Forex, right? And once again, although you're not selling a product, you still can sell the market or buy the market. The only difference from that business and the first kind of business I told you about is that in an investment business, people are already in the market. You already have millions of people in the market automatically all throughout the day, 24/7. So buying and selling you could do at the click of a button, right? So those are really the two only businesses. Now you could get into the specifics of making money online, like what are you selling? What's the name of your company? What industry is your company in? Yeah, you could get into those specifics, but really and truly, there's only two kinds of businesses. It's just selling products, right, or service, and being in an investment business, like Forex or cryptocurrency, right? But you still need people. You know, people don't understand that. Like, people want to make money online and they don't know how to get no traffic. They don't know how to build no page. They don't know how to build their Facebook. They don't know how to build their YouTube. They don't know how to build. How the fuck you gonna get money if you don't know how to build these things? And you don't have to build your page to 1 million followers overnight. It's gonna take time for you to grow. But the most important thing in business is you gotta be doing what you love to do, right? You gotta be doing something that you enjoy doing. And the reason why you got to do something that you enjoy doing is because when you enjoy doing something and you love being in a business, even when the hard days come, you're going to be willing to push through. Even when you don't feel like waking up in the morning, you're going to be willing to wake up in the morning. And also you're going to have a drive, and you're going to have just a passion inside of you that other people can't understand when you love what you're doing. If you don't love what you're doing, what's going to happen is when things get a little rough or things aren't going your way in the business, you're going to look for the easiest reason to quit and give up on yourself. So that's why I always recommend a very important part of success is doing what you love, because love is the key really to everything. A lot of the reasons why we do what we do, we wake up in the morning, the reason why we work so hard is because of the loved ones in our life. Just being real. So making money online, it is a spiritual thing. You don't have to work a 9-to-5 job. You don't have to take orders from somebody if you don't want to live that way. But you do need to do something you love, because even when you're failing, you're going to be willing to keep going, and the more you improve over time, eventually you're going to go from failure to success, as long as you never give up though. And in order to reach this level where you go from failure and you transition to success, you gotta be loving what you're doing, right? So up to this day, people ask me, yo, Jon, how could you keep going? How could you stay so committed to your success? How could you make music, right? This past year, I dropped a whole project called Forever Blessed. I dropped 2 music videos, paid well over $5,000 to get that stuff done. And people ask me, you know, Jon, how can you do it? And you're not a mainstream artist yet. How can you work so hard? And the answer is because I love what I'm doing. Every day I wake up in the morning, I'm happy to wake up to go after my dream. I'm happy to wake up in the morning to chase the vision, right? It feels good to have something where you know every single day you're chipping away, and every single day you're getting closer and closer to the vision you have in mind. And then when you get to your vision and you accomplish your vision, guess what you do? Guess what you do? I want you to drop a comment below if you're feeling this video and you're feeling what I'm talking about so far. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the bell button so you could be notified whenever I make videos like this. But like I said, right, when you hit your vision, all you got to do is create a new vision, create a bigger vision. Go even further. Nobody's stopping you. Nothing's in the way but you, right? Nothing's in the way but you. The world is your oyster. 300 to freedom, baby. But yeah, so, you know, these are the important things when it comes to make money online is, you know, everything I just said, that's all it is. I believe there's only 2 businesses, you know. I know there's different companies, I know there's different products, but that really doesn't matter because you still have to have a process. You still have to have a framework of how you're getting your sales. And that framework is traffic, leads, and sales, you know. So yeah. But love is important for anything that you're doing. Love is always going to make you work harder than, like, if you have nothing to live for and you have nobody to live for, it's kind of hard to be motivated if you're not doing something that's bigger than you. You know, it's easy to take care of yourself. It's easy to depend on yourself. It's easy to accomplish things just to put a smile on your face. But when you start doing things out of the love you have in your heart for other people in the world, what starts happening is you start tapping into an inner power that you didn't even know was there. You start thinking of plans and you start becoming a visionary, and you can see your dreams and your visions unfolding crystal clear. But that's only from love. Only love can do that. Only love can allow you to wake up in the morning and keep going even when things aren't going great. Only love will make you crazy enough to keep going even when nobody else believes in you. Only love will make you crazy enough to keep working out even if you don't feel like you see any results in your body yet. Only the love and enjoyment. And even if you're doing something you hate, as long as it's going to get you to what you love, you got to do what you hate as if you love it. You know what I'm saying? So without any further ado, I just want to share that with you when it comes to make money online in 2024. Make sure in 2024 and moving forward, you keep this in mind, because this information will be forever. This will never change. Think about even relationships. When you really love someone, you'll probably do some stupid things to be around them, right? Just saying, you know, you probably do some stupid things to be with that person. Just being real. So make sure to check out my music on all streaming platforms. You could check out the links in the description below if you want to get connected with me. If you want to learn how to make money online with me. My stage name is Jaydis Crete. Jaydis space Crete. Make sure Crete. Sorry. Make sure to check out my music. Let me know how you feel. Give me feedback. Peace.